have one activity to show evaporation. Now see, in this activity, to separate a mixture of sodium chloride and calcium carbonate, evaporation is used where one of the component is insoluble and one of the component is soluble. Okay. Now in this we are taking a mixture of NaCl and calcium carbonate. NaCl is soluble and calcium carbonate is insoluble. Now when you will dissolve them, you will observe that calcium chloride does not dissolve, and then NaCl gets dissolved. Okay, so how we will separate them? Easily by filtration. By filtration, the residue which you will get will be of calcium carbonate, and the filtrate will contain sodium chloride and water. So how you will separate sodium chloride and water? By simple evaporation. Whole water will evaporate and sodium chloride will be left behind. Okay. Now next process we have is of distillation. Now here distillation, the definition which is given is wrong, so you will change it. This is the definition of fractional distillation which they have given. Okay, distillation is when you are separating an soluble solid from a liquid. Okay, separation of a soluble solid from a liquid is called distillation. For example, the tap water which we get at our homes, that is not a compound, it is a mixture because it contains soluble impurities, it contains soluble gases. So if you want to make it pure, how you will do it? With the help of distillation, right? It contains soluble impurities which we will separate through distillation process, and the water which we get after distillation is called distilled water. Okay, now see, this whole is called the distillation assembly. This is the round bottom flask in which we will be taking a mixture of, see here again it is written wrong, okay, it is a mixture of tap water. You will change it, you will write mixture of tap water. Okay, then we have a glass rod. See here also the hole which they have given is wrong. You are not going to draw this portion. Okay, और ये जो ट्यूब है इसको यहाँ से connect करोगे from here. Okay, and I'll send you the picture of distillation later. So this is the glass, this is the round bottom flask. Here you are taking a mixture of tap water, and it is attached to the condenser where the water will get condensed, right? ये राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क में वाटर को हीट करना शुरू कर दो. ड्यू टू दैट व्हाट विल हैपन, ओनली द वाटर वेपर्स विल राइज अबव एंड विल पास थ्रू द condenser. And see, in the condenser we have this thin rod through which we are circulating cold water, so that the water vapors which are coming here gets cooled down due to this cold water and gets condensed in the form of water, right? ये जो water vapors आ रहे हैं, that is coming through these thin pipes. You can see the dots here, and जो water circulate करवाते हैं वो ये outer में करवाते हैं. Okay, this is called Liebig's condenser because it was discovered by a scientist called Liebig's, L-E-I, Liebig's, B-I-G apostrophe S, Liebig's condenser. Okay, why it is called condenser? Because here the water gets condensed. Okay, and here see all the impurities will be left behind. First, the process which is taking place here is evaporation, followed by condensation. Right, so in distillation we have two processes going side by side, evaporation and condensation. यहाँ पे water evaporate होएगा and all the impurities will be left behind. Water vapor will rise above and through the condenser यहाँ पे condense हो जाएगा because we are circulating cold water here. Okay, condense होके यहाँ पे water will come down. All the water vapors will condense to give you water, and यहाँ पे जो water हमें मिल रहा है that is the distilled water. It is the pure water. It does not contain any impurity, but that distilled water we do not use for our daily use because we require minerals, and that we get from the water, right? But this distilled water is used in the lab. You might have seen in the lab the white color bottles, they contain distilled water. In the labs, whenever we do any experiment, we require pure water. Okay, so that's all for today. Next we'll proceed next time. Wait, I'll do with the fractional distillation also because it is similar to it. Now see, in fractional distillation we are separating the two miscible means soluble liquids, liquid mixture, but they should have a difference in their boiling point of about 20 degrees Celsius. This definition is given here in distillation. Okay, two volatile miscible liquids which have a difference in boiling point by about 20 degrees Celsius. This is the definition for fractional distillation. Okay, so here we are taking a solution, a liquid mixture of alcohol and water. Both are soluble and both have a difference in their boiling point of about 20 degrees Celsius. अल्कोहल का boiling point low होता है as compared to water. ठीक है, अब क्या होएगा, सी दोनों लिक्विड्स ने बॉईल करना है. ठीक है, बट एक लिक्विड का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कम होना चाहिए ताकि वो पहले इवेपोरेट कर जाए और उसके वेपर्स पहले हम कलेक्ट कर सकें, राइट. और दूसरे का ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ताकि वो बाद में इवेपोरेट करे और उसके वेपर्स हम बाद में कलेक्ट कर सकें. ओके, now in this this assembly is similar to distillation, but only difference is that here we are applying this column which is called the fractionating column. Why we are applying this? So that the vapors which are passing through it gets time ट्रैवलिंग टाइम को इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए. ठीक है, ताकि पीछे से जो दूसरे के वेपर्स आ रहे हैं वो इकट्ठे ना हो जाएं. ओके, फर्स्ट जैसे अल्कोहल इवेपोरेट करेगा ऑन हीटिंग, दीज वेपर्स, अल्कोहल वॉलेटाइल होती है, जैसे उसको हीट करोगे वो फटाफट इवेपोरेट हो जाती है. ओके, सो दीज वेपर्स विल स्टार्ट टू इवेपोरेट first and will pass from fractionating column to the condenser. ओके, फिर उसके बाद अगर पीछे से बाई चांस थोड़े से वाटर के भी वेपर्स आ गए, उनको वेपोरेट होने के लिए ज़्यादा हीट चाहिए होता है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे क्या होएगा, यहाँ पे जाके वाटर वेपर्स वापस आ जाएंगे, कंडेंस होके नीचे गिर जाएंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ज़्यादा हीट नहीं होती. इसीलिए हमने ये कंडेंसर ये फ्रैक्शनेटिंग कॉलम लगाया है टू इंक्रीज़ द ट्रैवलिंग टाइम. क्योंकि जब को वो ऊपर जाने लगेंगे वो कूल डाउन हो जाएंगे एंड दे विल फॉल बैक. ठीक है, बट अल्कोहल को हीट करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर लेस हीट, अल्कोहल को इवेपोरेट करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर लेस हीट, तो उसके वेपर्स जल्दी से जाके कंडेंस हो जाएंगे एंड द टू गेट्स सेपरेटेड. क्लियर? सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन एंड नॉर्मल डिस्टिलेशन. ओके.